Yo, what's up everybody? And today is a quick Infinix tutorial on how to make your pods last longer. So when you're done hitting your Infinix, like for the night, usually what happens is you'll wake up and you'll hit it and it's harsh. So what you want to do every night, like when you're done, you're about to sleep, you take your pod out, okay? And then you want to take a tissue or something and you put it face down on the tissue. Make sure to stay up. If it's on a flat surface, it'll stay up. But so you keep it like that, and then throughout the night, it's gonna drain the liquid. And then when you wake up, you can refill it and you could use your pot again. So that's gonna fix the issue where you wake up and you hit it and it's harsh and you gotta throw it out. So by doing this, yeah, you're gonna leak the pod and then you just gotta refill it in the morning and it will hit just like brand new. Sorry to you guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked this tutorial, hit the subscribe button. And yes, stay tuned everybody. Driving fam, we on the come up.